Why hello, it's your gal Dimply Bean, back at it again with another... Ooh, did you hear that? My shoulder clicked. Why hello, it's your gal Dimply Bean, back at it again with a little bit more content. Just for you right there. You can tell it's the morning because the mornings are when I make the least amount of sense. Here in the UK, we've been in lockdown for pretty much the entirety of 2021. And this is the first day where we're allowed to go for non-essential shopping. And we're also allowed to eat at restaurants as long as they're outdoors. Restaurants and pubs that have outdoor seating, we're allowed to eat and drink at and have a merry old time. I'm meeting up with a good friend of mine and we're gonna go do a little bit of shopping. I am incredibly excited. It's hard to explain how small things like this make such a big difference. In particular, I'm excited just to see her again, but also to be able to try on clothes. So I've tried to find two items in particular: jeans and trainers. Now I have ordered so many pairs of jeans and so many pairs of trainers, and literally none of them have worked. None of them have fit right. None of them have been comfortable. It's items like those that are just difficult to shop for online because I don't know about you guys, but I go through so many pairs of jeans trying them on, trying to get a pair that fits right. I don't know what it is about my body, but it's just not a generic shape apparently. My legs are too long, but I'm not that tall of a person, so I'm technically not into the tall category of clothing. I'm just in that weird middle ground where my height isn't that high. I'm 5'7", but my legs are seemingly too long for my body. And then trainers, I don't even know why trainers have been so hard to find. I've tried on so many and they've just not fit right. And I don't even think it's that my feet are a strange fit. I won't say that I'm particularly wide-footed or any of those issues. I don't know who these shoes seem to be for, but it's for people with no ankles apparently. I don't know what it is. It's weird. So I'm looking forward to finding those particular things, hopefully, fingers crossed, in my shopping adventure. In the meantime, I need to get ready. I need to shower, obviously, because I've just been for a run and I'm gonna put on some makeup and make myself look a little bit more presentable. What in the heck? I don't know whether you guys can see that or not, but right now outside it is currently snowing. It is April, I might add, so I don't see why we have snow, but hey, weather is crazy. So, we couldn't find jeans, but we did find some trainers. Now, they're already a little bit scruffy because I kind of already wore them. My bad. My boots were hurting, so I thought, oh, you know what? I'm gonna just put on the trainers that I've just bought. But I absolutely love these, and they're from H&M. They were on sale. They were £15, and look at them. I love the colours. They're just so cool. There's pinks and this orangey peachy colour and green and all of that stuff, and I like the inside as well, and this bit is here. Yeah, these, I'm digging them. I'm so happy that I found them. I'm just amazed that it's taken me so long to find trainers, and then I end up finding trainers just in H&M for £15 on sale, and they're just perfect for me. I am still a little bit annoyed that I've already scruffed them up, but hey, I'll clean that off. It'll be fine. It'll be all good. And then along with this, I didn't find jeans. That's life. But I did get a little plant friend, and that is this little guy here. I don't know what he's called, but he was $6.95, so like he's very cute. Apparently he likes quite low light, and he's got like fuzzies on him. So I am very happy with that. I do have a plant pot for him, but this little plastic pot that he's in is too small for that plant pot, so I have to get a new one of these before I do that. For the moment he's just chilling out on a plate, so when I water him he doesn't get water everywhere. And then on top of that, I then also got some perfume from Lush. I've already used some, as you can see, and I was like smelling each and every scent because I never bought perfume from Lush before, and no doubt was irritating them quite a lot, but I'm very indecisive, especially when given lots of options. It is a problem. So yeah, I got this. You can't smell it, but just trust me that it smells really nice. Anyway, so that's that. It's now starting to become the evening time, so I am going to chill out and probably do some editing.